Tamara, Ahumara, Inde, Nata, Af, Zana, Hagwa, Inde, Ghana, Dureke, Inde, Igoma, Region, the Senegal, Gambia, Ghana, Ivory Coast, Burkina Faso, Sierra Leone, Have, Tade. Tamara, Ahumara, na Mauritania, Tadi, Sakado, Wolof.
The Wolof people are the tallest tribe in West Africa. They are found in Senegal, with smaller populations in Gambia and Mauritania. They are the largest ethnic group in Senegal, accounting for about 43% of the population. The Wolof language is widely spoken and serves as a lingua franca in Senegal. Meanwhile, the Dinka people are the tallest tribe in Africa. They are located in South Sudan. They are one of the largest ethnic groups in the country, making up about 35% of the population. The Dinka are known for the pastoral lifestyle revolving around cattle herding, which plays a central role in the culture and economy. The Dinka and the Wolof do not share a geographical location. However, there's a ton of similarities between the two that cannot just be shredded down to coincidence. For instance, naming. There are a number of names that the Dinka and the Wolof share. These names have no distinct differences in pronunciation and spelling. Akon is a popular name in South Sudan, especially among the Dinka. The name Akon is ceremoniously given to females by the Dinka, while that of the Wolof is given to men. In short, the Dinka and the Wolof share commonalities in physical, linguistic, numerical, and cultural attributes. A clear example of a cultural commonality between the two is their respective traditional wrestling, which appears exactly similar. The Dinka carry out traditional wrestling as a sport, which was inherited from the past generations, while the same goes for the Wolof, which is called Nom in the native language. It comes from the wrestling tradition of the Sura people and was used as a preparation ritual for war among the warrior class. Today, the sport is practiced by both men and women from all tribes in Senegal, and this enjoys patronage from both domestic and international sponsors. What do you think about the Wolof and the Dinka tribe?
The WALAF people of OUWARRI, WALAFA, na Wolof.